everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Jatara Parivartanasana. This asana is really good to improve digestion and also it avoids constipation. To practice, start in Shavasana, legs together. Bring your hands to the level of your shoulders, bend at your knees. Now turn your knees to the right while looking towards your left hand. Maintain in this position with normal breathing. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale and bend your knees to the left while looking at your right hand. Maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale and release and relax in Shavasana. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel.